Now let's talk about our seal of approval and how the 4500 Pro earned it. Every device we test has to go through H2HUBB's full evaluation process, which includes verifying hydrogen outputs, safety systems, and overall build quality against our performance standards. Only products that meet or exceed those standards receives H2HUBB's seal of approval. For the 4500 Pro, we set it up using distilled water and ran it through multiple 1-hour sessions at each flow rate setting, 1,500, 3,000, and 4,500 milliliters per minute. We measured the actual hydrogen gas output using an AliCat hydrogen mass flow meter, the same type of equipment trusted in labs and industry testing. And all our results were corrected to standard atmospheric conditions for accuracy. The device flow rate settings displays the total hydrogen and oxygen gas production. This is referred to as oxyhydrogen. For example, on the 3,000 milliliter per minute setting, the device aims to produce 2,000 milliliters per minute of hydrogen and 1,000 milliliters per minute of oxygen, totaling a 3,000 milliliter per minute flow rate of total gas, oxyhydrogen, 66% H2, 33% O2. Here's what we found. At the 1500 setting, the device averaged approximately 1,513 milliliters per minute of hydrogen. At the 3000 setting, we measured approximately 2,303 milliliters per minute. And at the highest 4500 setting, the 4500 Pro delivered 3,193 milliliters per minute of hydrogen gas, even higher than the manufacturer's claim. This means the 4500 Pro isn't just meeting its claims, it's outperforming them. With an electrolytic cell efficiency of 97%, high purity hydrogen at 99.9%, and 7 layers of built-in safety, this device checks every box. That's why the Hydro for Health 4500 Pro has officially earned H2HUBB's seal of approval. There's so much more where this comes from. If this video interests you, make sure you check out our full review of this product. At H2HUBB, we review all kinds of hydrogen therapy products, so be sure to subscribe to H2HUBB to check out our other reviews.